Hi everyone, today I will share a new topic from beginners because this topic completely for beginners. I will explain about what is the Excel. If you advanced level, you can upcoming videos coming. So this video completely for beginners. If you this is your first video in Excel, so if you are beginner, you can watch this video complete video. Your end of the video knowledge you can gain that video. Let's get started. First, how to open the right. Everyone know desktop. You can go to search. You can click Windows key. You can search it Excel. I can show here. This is completely for interface of Excel. This is one tab for main tab. This is completely clipboard. You can cut, copy, paste, formatting. These are all. You can use mouse. You can use here only for mouse. Coming videos, I will share shortcut key. It's benefit for you. Then you can go to the font section. Here, multiple fonts is there, and you can change it size from font value. This here also you can increase step by step, and this is for bold. This is for italic. You can underline. This is border. Different border you can use, and this is painting for color cells, and this is for text color. You can change example money. You can change the background color, and this is for text color section green. This is for black. Right. This is for alignment. This is merging the cells. With two cells you can select it to merge. This is for heading. Right. It will be created for heading. This is actually numeric numbers. Right. You can change with the values for text or fraction, percentage, long date, short date, currency number. This is for style section. This is completely for formatting. You can insert different formatting. You can highlight the duplicate value and text and contains greater than value, less than value. This is for home tab. Then this is insert your huge number of huge section of your table, recommend table section. This is illustrator. You can add the shape and everything. This is for grid line views. You can off this grid line, everything is here. This is for headline. If you want headline, you can click view. You can go to the formula section. Here multiple formulas in single formula in each and every formula. I will explain the every single video. Okay. Then here you can come up down. Here you can sheet number, right? You can create here. You can plus icon. You can create second sheet and third sheet, fourth sheet. You can click plus here. It will be created for multiple sheets. Okay. Here you can change the views from page layout. You can this is for normal page layout. This is header page layout. Okay. Here you can change the size from sheet size. You can change increase screen size and zoom in, zoom out, right? Okay, completely I shared the Excel. You are watching in first time in my channel. You can subscribe and support. If upcoming videos I will share huge number of formula, complete shortcut key, everything I will share for you. I know that some knowledge from Excel, so I will share and I will learn and I will share with you. If you interested, you can subscribe and support. Thank you for watching this video. Tata, bye bye. See you next video. Bye.